Click on OK. Today concept is software development models. Software development models. Simply we can say SDLC models. Okay, first of all, and I will ask you small question. And Kumar, you know how to prepare chicken curry?
No, sir, actually, I'm a vegetarian.
You are vegetarian.
Yes, sir.
You are
Completely
Brahmin.
vegan. Yeah,
Brahmin.
yeah, yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are
yes, sir.
Brahmin.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, great. And Satish Yaru, tell me how to you know how to prepare chicken curry? Satish Yaru, you are also Brahmin, eh? Hello, Satish Yaru, are you there, sir? Satish Yaru, oh, he went offline. Just wait, 2 seconds. Wait. Oh,
No problem.
Kumar, are you Brahmin?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I don't know. You know cooking?
I know cooking, sir. I can also cook chicken also,
Hmm.
but I
You will
haven't
not eat.
yet make any chicken. Yes, no, sir, completely. I've never eaten in my life.
Okay, okay. Are you eating egg?
Yeah, yeah, sometimes not like literally egg, like in food items. If the cake contains egg, then I can eat it.
Okay, okay,
Cake or something bakery, I can say.
okay, okay. Satish Yaru,
Sir.
yeah. You know chicken curry. How to prepare chicken curry? You know process?
I know, sir.
Tell me, sir. Just tell me your process, chicken process.
First
How
of all,
to prepare chicken curry?
we need to buy the chicken
Hmm.
from the market.
Hmm.
Actually, I don't know how to cook, but
Process.
some part I know. That's it.
Okay, okay. Tell me what
Okay.
is the process?
First of all, first of all, we need to add some oil.
Hmm.
And, we need to cut the onions small pieces into small pieces,
Hmm.
and after that we need to mix with the chicken masala and garlic paste,
Hmm.
and that's it. That I don't know that much, but I know eating only.
Okay, okay. So chicken curry. So I will prepare. I will follow some process. My sister follow another process. My mother follow another process. There is no there is no process like this is the constant process. This is the unique process. There is no common. There is no unique process for chicken curry preparation. There is unique. There is no unique process for chicken curry. Okay, so different people. So my sister will follow some steps. I will follow some process. My mother will follow other process. So finally, all the people they are doing chicken curry preparation. So all the output is chicken curry, but different people they will follow different steps. So today concept is software development models, SDLC models. Today concept is SDLC models, SDLC models. So, HDLC models. If you want to develop any software, any project, compulsory, we need to implement 6 phases. First one, initial phase,
Analysis phase,
analysis phase,
coding phase,
mm, design
ah,
phase,
design phase,
design phase, coding phase,
testing,
testing phase,
maintenance.
delivery and maintenance phase. Just simply I will tell you in one sentence. So each and every software company having own process. Each and every software company having own process. After getting the project, they will follow own process and they will develop the application. They will develop the application. Each and every software company having own process. Based on the own process, they will develop the application. They will develop the application. Initial phase, they will gather the requirements from customer. They will gather the requirements from customer. Analysis phase is they will analyzing the customer requirement. They will analyze the customer requirements. Design phase, they will divide the application. They will divide the application. Coding phase, they will develop the application. Testing phase, they will test the application. Delivery and maintenance phase, they will deliver the application into client environment. So initial phase, they will gather the requirements from customer. Analysis phase, they will analyze the customer requirements. Design phase, they will divide the application. Coding phase, they will develop the application. Testing phase, they will test the application. Delivery and maintenance phase, they will deliver the application into client environment. This is the, so if they want to develop any project, they will implement these 6 phases. If they want to develop any project into software company, so they will implement these 6 phases. So HDLC models. Models, approach, or process, or procedure. We can use any one. Okay. Model, or approach, or procedure, or process. Each and every software company, if they get any project, they will follow one unique process. There is no common process for all the companies. There is no common process for all the companies. Each and every software company. Wait, Kumar. Kumar,
Yes, sir.
what's your office timings?
My office timing is from now 8 to 5.
98 to 5.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Any problem, sir, with
No,
the
no,
current
no
time?
problem. No. This is your class timings. This is fixed. But Satish went to
Oh.
offline, so he's
Why,
connecting
sir?
from. So that is internet connection problem. That's the reason he's
Oh.
coming from.
Where
So
is he from, sir? Where is he
he's
from,
from
sir?
Lingampalli, I think.
Okay, Lingampalli.
Oh,
I
so
thought he is from US.
no. He's from Hyderabad only.
So he is trying to reconnect.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. No problem.
Yesterday he came. You did.
Okay.
You didn't came.
Actually, sir, I told you in the office na, कि
Hmm.
I wasn't able to sleep whole night because I have to go to this bank hole and have to done my with the new account. So I
Okay.
wasn't able to sleep till 12:30, and
Hmm.
at around 2 I felt sleep, and I thought of I will sleep for just 2 hours and I wake up around 4:30. But once I get the sleep, I woke
Okay.
up
Okay.
around 7:30 and 7 around something.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I wasn't able to pick up your call also.
No problem. No problem.
I know, sir. There is no problem. Akhil sir is around, no problem will be there.
No. I will. Don't worry. I'm always.
Around. You are always around, no, sir?
Hmm.
So at one time how much people you can educate through this online?
Till now,
Yeah, like in a group you are doing it, na, sir? Like me and Satish are in
oh no.
same.
You are just right now. I'm taking class only for you and Satish only.
No, no, I'm asking by using this software, how many people you can connect at once?
21 members at a time.
21 members.
Hmm.
Okay. That's a nice way to, I mean, sir,
This is the
this is
free
quite,
software.
and this is new for me and I'm actually enjoying it.
It's very easy.
Uh,
Hmm. Yesterday session
I
I will.
think, sir,
Uh,
I think Satish is using Reliance Jio.
hmm.
Ask him to use any broadband connection
Oh, no, 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 no.
because Jio is not working good, sir, nowadays.
No, it's waste. That is time waste.
It's complete waste, sir.
Completely waste. I know. So already I
Completely waste.
bought a Geo
Satish is
SIM.
right. Satish is
Recently I
right.
bought Geo SIM, but
Okay.
that is not good. So,
No, no, speeds are totally low, less low, totally low.
hmm?
Sir,
They are not even providing the 2G speed for internet.
Right, right. I know. Satish garu?
sir, Akhil Reddy garu.
Right, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Wait 1 second.
Satish has left.
No, no.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Satish garu.
సార్ ఉన్నాను అది
Okay,
అంతకుముందు ఐ థింక్ ప్రీవియస్ ది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఉండొచ్చు.
okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Today concept is software development software development models, SDLC models. SDLC models. If they want to develop any project, they will follow. They will follow 6 phases of software development life cycle, SDLC models. If they want to develop any project, so they will follow 6 phases of software development life cycle, like SDLC models. So, if they want to develop any project, they will follow 6 phases: initial phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. They will implement these 6 phases. So each and every software company having one unique procedure or unique process or unique model. So they will follow that unique model and they will develop that particular project. Each and every software company having one unique model. There is no common process for all the companies. This is the only one point you should remember. There is each and every software company having one unique model or unique procedure or unique process. There is no common process for all the companies. There is no common process for all the companies. That's the reason we are keeping 3 or 4 years experience, and we are getting job. We are managing our job very easy. Why we are managing job very easy? So there is no common process for all the companies. If it is in the market, if it is any common process, we can't maintain, we can't manage our job very easy. So there is no common process for all the companies. Each and every software company having one unique procedure. So they will follow that unique procedure and they will develop the application. So which company following which model, which procedure, we don't know. So some companies they will follow own procedure, some companies they will follow or they will buy some one unique model and they will develop that application in own way. So finally, only one word: each and every software company having one unique model. There is no common process for all the companies. For example, if I try for job, already have 12 years of experience in the area of software testing. If I want to get a job, or if you want to start my career once again, so first of all they will give training. I have 12 years experience, but they will don't mind. So once again they will give training and they will take into project. You have 12 years of experience, you followed some other steps. Today onwards you should follow this process. They will explain that process and they will take into project. So wherever you go, if you have a fresher or if you have 1 year experience or 2 years experience or 8 years experience, once again they will give training and they will take into project. Why? Because each and every software company having one unique procedure, they will follow that unique procedure and they will develop the project. There is no common process for all the companies. So if it is any project, any model, So they will follow these 6 phases. Initial phase, they will gather the requirements from customer. Analysis phase, they will analyze the customer requirements. Design phase, they will divide the whole project into some modules. And coding phase, they will develop the application. Testing phase, they will test the application. Delivery and maintenance phase, they will deliver the application into client environment. So SDLC models, so there are 6 phases, so they will implement these 6 phases only. So today I will teach you some of the models. So some companies, they will some companies they are following, some companies they are not following. So these companies are using or not using, I'm not saying, I'm not commenting anything. So some companies they are following, some companies not following. So each and every company having one unique model or unique procedure, they will follow that unique procedure and they will develop the application. So whenever you are facing the interview, that time they may ask you like, which model you used in your project, recent project or last project. They may ask you, that time you can say Akhil model, computer model, or glass model, or key model, or mobile model, or book model, or cell model, or computer model. So whatever it is, so each and every software company having one unique procedure. That procedure name is something, pen model or key model. So whatever it is, we don't know which model they are following, we don't know. Nobody know, nobody don't know anything. So why? Because each and every software company having one unique procedure. For example, I am starting one new organization. So new organization means new company. So first I will call to some professionals. They will develop some procedure. I will follow that procedure. I will give one name for that procedure. That name is something X, Y, Z, whatever it is. So each and every software company having unique models. So there is no common process for all the companies. There is no common process for all the companies. Just you should remember only one thing. That is the reason we are keeping 3 to 4 years experience and we are managing our job very easy way. Why we are managing very easy? There is no common process for all the companies. Each and every software company having own process. They will use that process and they will develop the application. Right. Today I will teach you some of the models. So these models software companies using, not using, I can't say. So some companies they are following, some companies are not following.
So how many models are in there now, sir?
Now I will teach you nearly 7 models.
Okay.
First model, waterfall model. First model, waterfall model. If it is any model, they will implement these 6 phases only. If it is any model, they will implement these 6 phases only. So if it is any model, they will implement these 6 phases only. If it is any model, they will implement these 6 phases only. First model, waterfall model. First model, waterfall model. When they are choosing this model, based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the models. Based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the models. Based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the models. Based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the models. Based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the models. So when they are choosing this model, whenever the customer having clear requirements, whenever the customer having clear requirements, at that time they will choose these models. This model, that is waterfall model. Whenever the customer having clear requirements, whenever the customer having clear requirements, that time they will choose this model, that is waterfall model. Waterfall model advantages: it is a simple model, low cost model, less time taking model. Okay. Project maintaining and monitoring very easy. Maintaining project maintaining and monitoring very easy. So it is a simple model, low cost model, less time taking model. Project maintaining and monitoring very easy. When they are choosing, when they will choose this model, whenever the customer having clear requirements, whenever the customer having clear requirements, that time they will choose this model, that is the waterfall model. Disadvantages: If it is any model, they will implement 6 phases only: initial phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. They will choose these 6 phases only. They will choose these 6 phases. They will implement these 6 phases only. So when they will choose this model, whenever the customer having clear requirement, that time they will choose this model, that is waterfall model. It is a simple model, low cost model, less time taking model, project maintaining and monitoring very easy. Disadvantages, we can't take the new requirements in middle of the project. We can't take the new requirements in middle of the project. We can't take the new requirements from customer in middle of the project. We can't take the new requirements from customer in middle of the project. That is the disadvantage. So waterfall model advantages and disadvantages: whenever the customer having clear requirements, that time they will choose this model, that is waterfall model. Whenever the customer having clear requirements, that time they will choose this model, that is waterfall model. Next, if it is any model, we will implement that 6 phases: initial phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. Next phase, prototype model. Whenever the customer having unclear requirements, then they will choose this model, prototype model. Whenever the customer are having unclear requirements, not clear requirements, so that time they will choose this model, prototype model. This prototype model advantages: at any point of time, we can take the new requirements from customer. New requirements from customer. At any point of time, we can take the new requirements from customer. This is the prototype model. Whenever the customer having unclear requirement, that time they will choose this model, that is prototype model. Advantages: at any point of time, we can take the new requirements from customer. Disadvantages: it is not a complete model. It is not a complete model. It is not a complete model. Disadvantages: it is not a complete model. Time taking model. Time taking model. Costly model. We can't say the deadline. We can't say the deadline. So this is prototype model. Whenever the customer having unclear requirement, that time they will choose this model, that is prototype model. It's whenever the customer having unclear requirement, that time they will choose this model, that is prototype model. Advantages: at any point of time, we can take the new requirements from customer. Disadvantages: it is not a complete model, time taking model, costly model. We can't say the deadline. We can't say the deadline. That is prototype model. That is prototype model. Next model, evolutionary model. Next, evolution. If it is any model, they will implement the 6 phases only. That is the only one line you should remember. If it is any project, any model, we will implement the 6 phases only. So next model, evolutionary model. So if it is any project, so first After developing the project, after testing the project, we will do user acceptance testing. We will do user acceptance testing. After user acceptance testing, we will go to customer place and we will install the application into client environment. That is the process. So user acceptance testing means after developing the application, after testing the application, compulsory we need to go to customer place and we need to install the application into client environment. So first of all, we will do user acceptance testing. This is the common. After developing the application, after testing the application, we will do user acceptance testing. That is common. But what is evolutionary model? So after getting the any company, after getting the project, they will divide the whole project into some modules. So that is called high level design. Each and every model divided into some sub modules. That is called low level design. Each and every sub module divided into some build wise they will develop and they will sending to testing department. This is the first build they are sending to testing department. So each and every build we need to do user acceptance testing. Each and every build we need to do user acceptance testing. That is evolutionary model. After developing the application at any cost, we will do user acceptance testing for any application. But in the evolutionary model, each and every build we need to do user acceptance testing. That is the difference between other models and this model. So each and every build we need to do user acceptance testing. If we say okay, then only we can go for next build. Otherwise, we need to do this build only. So each and every time, we will do user acceptance testing for every build. So sometimes customer will say some objections. So it will delay. So process will delay. So compulsory, he will say something. So each and every build, if you do user acceptance testing, it will take time taking process, costly process. We can't say the deadline. So it is not a complete model. Evolutionary model. So each and every project we will do user acceptance testing. After developing the application, after testing the application, we will do user acceptance testing commonly. But in this evolutionary model, each and every build we will do user acceptance testing. Each and every build we will do user acceptance testing. If we say yes, okay, then only we can go for next build. Otherwise, we need to do same build once again. So it is not a complete model. We can't say the deadline and time taking model and costly model. That is evolutionary model. So why evolutionary model? Each and every time, each and every build we will do user acceptance testing. Next, fish model and spiral model. Fish model, spiral model. Both are scientific models. Both are scientific models. For example, rocket launching, upagraha launching. So that is scientific models. Fish model, spiral model is a scientific model. So none of the Indian companies not encouraging these models in India. So why? Because it is a highly risk-based models. Highly talented professionals required. Highly talented professionals required. So not only test engineers, not only developers. Why? Because it is a scientific model. So rocket launch, upagraha launching. So that time they will choose these models. None of the Indian companies not encouraging these models. Why? Because there is no trial session for rocket launching. There is no trial session. So if it is add button is working or not, we will take 10, no, we will take 20, we will click on add button, 30 is coming or not, we will check. But if it is fish model or spiral model, there is no trial sessions. There is no trial sessions. So compulsory, once if you click on button, it will go. It will not come back. So that is fish model and spiral model. Both are scientific models. Only they will use for only rocket launching. They will use for only rocket launching. So in that situation, there is no trial sessions. So it is highly risk based models. So that's the reason none of the Indian companies not encouraging these models. These models both are very cost models, highly professionals required, highly professionals required, costly models, time taking models. These two models. Next model, V model. V model. Why we are saying V model? V model means verification we will do, validation we will do. This is verification, validation. Verification we will do, validation we will do. Verification means, just concentrate, verification means while developing the application, each and every role in the organization according to customer expectations, each and every output document, each and every phase output document is properly coming or not, they will do testing. That's why that is called verification testing. So while developing the application, each and every role in the organization according to customer expectation, they are working or not, each and every each and every phase output document is properly coming or not, we will do testing. So that's why that is called verification or quality assurance. Verification or quality assurance we can say. And validation, after developing the application, this project is developed or not, once again we will do testing. That is called validation. Verification we are doing, validation we are doing, twice we are doing testing. So in the in this phase output, in this model output document is quality document. 99% 99% output document is quality document. Why? Because here we are doing twice testing. Verification we are doing, validation also we are doing. Verification we are doing, validation also we are doing. So in this phase output document is quality product. Why? Because here verification we are doing, validation we are doing. So that's the reason in this phase output document is quality document. That is V model. V model, verification we are doing, validation we are doing. Verification means during project, each and every role in the project according to customer expectation working or not, each and every phase output document is properly coming or not, we will do testing. So that is called verification. Verification means quality assurance. Validation means after developing the application, the developed project is based on the customer requirements, developed or not, we will do testing. That is called validations. That is called quality control. So in this phase output advantages is, in this phase output document is quality document. Disadvantages is it is a costly model, time taking model. Costly model and time taking model. And recently one model came into market, not in India, US market. In the US, most of the companies nowadays they are using Agile model. Agile. What is Agile?
Agile is a model.
Agile is a model. What is Agile model? This is the customer. This is the company people. This is testers. This is developers. This is customer. So first customer he will say the requirements from, sorry, first of all he will tell the requirements to company. Sir, we need one build. That build information first of all they will say to company. That company people will send it to developers. Based on the customer requirement, they will develop the application. They will send it to testing department, build one. This build one they will do user acceptance testing. In front of the user they will do testing. If we say okay, next they will release second build. If we say okay, they will do second build. So these four members, though these four customer people, company people, testers, developers, they will sit in single environment. So if it is any project developed by any other models, it will take 30 days. If it is agile model, we can complete that project in 10 days. That is the difference between other models and agile model. So recently came into market in India. None of the companies not using right now. So in future companies they will use agile model. So here customer, company, developer, testers, all the people they will sit in single environment. 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 That is the model, agile model. That is the model, agile model. Customer, company, developer, testers, they will they will sit in single environment. They will develop the application. So whenever comparing with the other models, we can complete this particular project development very easy or simply or less time. Within the less time we can complete that particular project. That is agile model. So none of the Indian companies not using right now. In USA some of the companies they are using agile model. In future agile model is the one of the two course. It will be one of the course agile methodology. Some companies they are asking agile methodology. So if you want to go to any other countries, compulsory you should know you should have ISTQB certification. In the ISTQB certification, main part is agile model. Main part is agile model. Main part is agile model. Right. And next, terminology. Last concept to terminology. In the notes already I gave you one terms. So these terms I will teach you end of the automation testing. So manual testing we have some terms already: project to product to defect to quality, and like one of the very important definition, that is traceability matrix. Traceability matrix. So manual terms and automation terms I will teach you end of the total testing. After Selenium I will teach you all terms in manual and automation. So in manual testing, very important term, that is traceability matrix. What is traceability matrix? It contains some table of linking information. It is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a it contains table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. It contains table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. If you face any questionable situation, we can trace back for the reference. For example, so first of all, they will send a FRS document. Using FRS document, business analyst, you will write use cases. Based on use cases, we will write test cases. Some company they will write detailed test cases, DTC. DTC means detailed test cases. Some company they will write MTC, master test cases. Next result. Next result. First, we have some requirements. FRS in we have some requirements. So one requirement page I am writing three use cases. For example, three use cases. 1, 2, 3. Using this use case, I am writing four test cases. 1, 2, 3, 4. So test cases we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this we will shortlist which one is very important. One is very important. Two is also very important. Four is very important. And after that we will once again we will shortlist which one is very important. Two and four is very important. Whenever executing this test case, we got defect. We got defect. From which requirement we got the defect, we can trace back for the reference. Which we can trace back for the reference. We can trace back for the reference. So that is called traceability matrix. Traceability matrix is nothing but it contains table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. If you face any questionable situation, we can trace back for the reference. We can trace back for the reference from which requirement we got the defect, we can identify, and all the requirements covered or not, we can identify. So if it is covered, mapping will be there. If it is not covered, there is no mapping. There is no mapping. So traceability matrix uses from which requirement we got the defect one is, and from which requirement we got the defect one, and all the requirements are covered or not, we can find out using traceability matrix. Whenever you are facing the interview, that time they may ask you like how you know how much testing is finished. So using traceability matrix only, one requirement covered, remaining 3%, three requirements not covered. So only 25% project is completed. So traceability matrix is very very important important definition in manual testing. Traceability matrix is nothing but it contains table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. If you face any situation, if you have any doubt, we can trace back for the reference. That is traceability matrix. Bye bye manual testing. Manual is over. Manual is over. So tomorrow onwards we can enter into